so let's unbox this wig from Dolago. Okay, so the lace is transparent. That's what it say on the packaging. As I have to go back in my notes and see what. But anyways, here is the wig. Let me take it out the box. Alright, so here is the wig straight out the box, and it has a beautiful curl to it. Let me take the hairnet off. And in the box they give you a wig cap and also an elastic band that you can sew into the wig. I'm not going to use that, of course, but these are the curls. And this is the cap. This is a full lace wig. I've already customized it. If you guys watched my video from earlier this week, if you've seen that video, I did the same exact customization to this wig. You can definitely check it out. I will pop it out right here. But this is how the inside of the cap looks. Okay, so I am going to use the hair glue right at this area like I did before. And then the hairspray also. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up styling, and then I'll be back to you guys. Now, if you want to see how I did the customization for this wig, make sure to check out my previous video. Alright, so this is the end result. Yeah, it looks really good, and I did have to tint it because it was too lightish, but yeah, this is how we are looking. Everything looks really good. And I love the curl pattern on this hair. It's very pretty. Alright, so a lot of you want to know how I reinstall my wigs that I'm wearing throughout the week. So if I'm wearing a wig, this is how it would look. After sleeping in it, wearing it for like a week, I will need to refresh the hair. I will need to refresh my install. So I'm going to use the bedhead spray, and my wig is already laying flat. The hairline is already blending because of everything I did for my first day application. So normally all I have to do is just spray that hairspray around my hairline and then adhere the wig down, and the application is really easy. So anytime I'm wearing a wig longer than a few days, I normally have to each day touch it up with a little bit of that hairspray. That hairspray does not hold for weeks at a time for me like it do most people, but I will have to always touch up my sideburn areas with hairspray, just like with the Got To Be. Now, as far as the hair, as you can see, the hair is very dry because I've done literally nothing to it. Normally for me, after a few days of wear, I will take my wig off, wash it, condition it, let it air dry, and then reinstall. But for the sake of this video and just showing you guys what I would do if I did not do that part, this is how my wig will naturally look. Now, like I said, I don't have to do much when it comes to reinstall because the wig, the lace and everything is laying flat from my previous install when I first put it on. So normally all I have to do is just press down that lace with that spray and I'm good. Now, as far as the hair, if I'm not washing or conditioning it, I'm going to, if it's curly hair anyway, I'm going to take a little bit of water and a little bit of hair mousse and just kind of define those curls. Now, this hair definitely needs to be washed, so it's not going to look as vibrant as it did at the beginning, because I don't really believe in wearing a wig more than 6 days without washing and conditioning it. So this was stretching it for me. So this hair definitely needs to be washed. However, I was able to get those curls to pop again and the application to look really good just by adding a little bit of water and a little bit of hair mousse. So yeah, that's everything that I do, and I hope you guys found this helpful. I will be sure to put everything down below in the description box, and I will see you guys back in my next video. Mwah.